Here is the Trump Boat Parade in Stillwater, Minnesota. Or the end of it, maybe. There's a lot of boats downriver there. Still, there's the new bridge. A lot of boats coming upriver yet. There's the news, Channel 5 news up above us here. And all the boats here. The whole bridge is in the up position to let a lot of boats come through. A lot of people in downtown Stillwater, Minnesota here. There's a guy in the ultralight there. And a lot of people in town for the Trump Boat Parade. Well, there's still tons of boats coming upriver. They started in Prescott. Looks like a drone over there. And yep, here it is. Here's the end of it. All sorts of goings on here. A lot of people in Lowell Park here. A lot of people enjoying the beautiful day. And looks like Channel 5 is flying above us here. And yep, here it is in beautiful downtown Stillwater, Minnesota. And well, there you go. There's the end of the, well, maybe the middle of the Trump Boat Parade. At any rate, I'm signing off. Everyone have a gorgeous day. The bridge is going to go down now. Have a great day. Bye.